gonna do a Canadian soap supplies unboxings. Probably not done very often, but here we go. This is from, give you an idea of what I'm up to next. Alrighty. It's always fun to see people opening up packages. And since I've never done this before, I may as well try. Even though I've watched so many people do their unboxings. So much fun. Hopefully I'll do this in a way that everything doesn't all fall down. And we don't get interrupted by rabbits or children or who knows, but the little ones are in bed and Mama got this in the mail. So who is this one from? This one is from, I think it's from Alberta. I think this is Windy City Soap Supplies. And if it is, let's see. I need my glasses, guys. I can't read it, so we'll just see. I'll know when I get in here who it's from. All right. It's packed very well. You'll know before anybody else. So I have been ordering the proper ingredients for making a few things, and lip gloss product formulations have been under review, and so I just got, this is Windy Point, I think it's called, out of Alberta, and they have these wonderful lip balm sliders. Let's see what they're like. Let's take one out. I hope they're nice. When I was a little girl, I used to get these lip glosses in like packs of 4 and 5, and I used to love to click them. So I had a whole collection of them. I swear my mother found them all and threw them all away. I don't know what happened to that lip gloss collection. Any of you guys ever hoard stuff like that when you were a kid? Now, of course, I hoard, soap supplies and designer perfume. All right, so what's the first thing? So that's the first thing. So we've got those. Those are pretty cool. All right, I don't know what these are, so we'll look at the stuff that I can get to. Oh, more lip gloss supplies. So these are the squishy tubes. So these are for the kind of lip glosses that you want to squeeze, I think. Let's see. I was wondering how I was going to fill these. It looks like you have to fill them with a syringe. I'll have to re-sterilize all of these. But yeah, oops, there it went. Got a little squeezy. So these will be for more of the squishy, glossy, sticky lip glosses. So this is for the kind that kind of make sure your lips kind of go with the stickiness, so the sticky texture. And these are for the ones that are more heavier, because you don't want them to leak, right? So they need to be a heavy lip gloss. Okay, what else have we got? I've already got the glass roller balls. Those are, tetrasodium EDTA. Can't remember exactly what I was going to make with that, but I'm sure it's going to be awesome. Silk peptide. Oh, these are my shampoo stuff. Silk peptides and DL panathol. So these are vitamins and stuff for your hair shampoos. Someone posted on one of my Facebook groups how to make the Lush solid shampoos, and so I just started looking into shampoos again, and you know what, there's a lot of information out there, guys. There's this one site, something monkey, she's in Vancouver, I think, or Surrey or Burnaby, just across the water from me, and she does a lot of formulating. Like, I can barely understand her website, but I'm sure having fun as I slowly absorb it. I mean, my 47-year-old brain just isn't. All right, more lip gloss stuff. Did I not get any fragrances? There's gotta be some fragrances in here. So Candelia wax, again, stuff for lip balms. Oh, we're gonna have fun this year. Carnauba wax. Oh yeah. What is this? Oh yeah! SLS free surfactant. This is powder. I've got the prills so I can make them look like the other way, but yeah, this will be fun. We're gonna be making shampoos, people, and full wax. That's also for a few different things. I've always used this for lotions, but I'm finding it's got a lot more versatility. And you can see it's just little pellets, and you melt it down with your oils. Oh, finally, I'm getting some stainless steel bath bomb molds. I got one. We'll see if they work better than my aluminum ones. I'm hoping that this will give me the seamless look that everybody tells me that you need for your bombs. And then of course, acetyl alcohol. I've got a few different things to do with this, and it's a waxy substance. It's just awesome. It gets slip and slide. You can all Google that if you want to know what it's used for. I'm just playing. I'm formulating and playing. Let's see what we've got in here. Where's my knife? Where'd that knife go? Here it is. All right, so we'll just line this stuff up. So you can see what it is. We've got carnauba wax, silk peptides, and DL-pentothal, and delia wax. I'm pronouncing this all wrong, but you know, you can always use your spell checker. Tetrasodium EDTA, coal wax, and a new stainless steel mold. The containers are over here. Containers, ingredients, containers. All right, what do we got in here? Oh, an emulsifier, BTMS 50 emulsifier. Ah, it looks a lot like the Polo Wax. Let's see if that works better or differently. A lot of these things are for conditioner too, so I'm also working on a hair conditioner. I don't know if you noticed, but I got really long hair, and I like to use my own styling products. And if I can make my stuff as good or better than commercial products, which I've always been able to do in the past, I'm gonna. And if you guys want to watch me do that, subscribe to this channel, because that's what I'm doing this year. All right, some more lip gloss stuff. Oh yeah, baby. All right, so we've got acai and blueberries, sweet and flavor oil. Rip that baby open and have a sniff, because you know that the flavoring oils, these are actually pre-sweetened. I am working on a sweetener formulation, so I'm just going to dab that a little bit of that on my lip. Probably it's going to be too strong. Oh, that's nice. Oh my gosh, that's nice. Oh, Wendy Point is the name of the company that I got these from. And they're really great because they have free shipping in Canada. Woohoo! Score, baby. I am ordering some more flavorings from some other companies. And I am working on a lip balm sweetener that you can make yourself. And that'll stay emulsified in whatever kind of lip balm. Now this is vanilla. Vanilla is one of my favorite lip balm flavors. Ooh, that's all right. And the scent is like real vanilla. It's good. It's really good. All right, what's the next one? The next one is creamy caramel. See, again, I'm hoping this is like another kind of vanilla. One thing I do whenever I go see my sisters in the States, I have sisters in Idaho, and I have sisters in Arizona, and I have sisters, well, most of my sisters are in Idaho. I have a sister in Chicago, and I have a cousin in Chicago, which I better go to that Windy City one of these days. I got family there. Maybe I'll be... Okay, maybe I can get this open, maybe I can't. So shout out to my cousin Taryn, Chicago, and Andrea, my sister, Greg, my brother. This is, oh my gosh, guys, that, ooh, I could just eat that right out of the bottle. It's so good. And it's definitely caramel. Oh, these are gonna be amazing lip glosses, guys. Okay, Cupcake Frosting sweetened. And they're different. They're vanilla-y, but they're different. Cupcake. All right, let's see Cupcake Frosting. Let me smell it. You gotta have the smell. It's a really nice, yeah, it smells exactly like, you could use this for like a cake batter or a cupcake. Definitely tastes like buttercream. Next one, vanilla coconut. Since I use a lot of virgin coconut oil in all my formulations, I'm sure I'll continue to use it in my lip balms. Now, if you want some really rustic, awesome lip balm recipes from me, just go to my blog at gentlesoaps.com.blogspot. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna be much. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Nice coconut. Oh, that's gonna be fun in the summer. I could use that as perfume. That is nice. Now, I did get a fruit scent. I'm usually pretty wary about fruit scents, although that acai, oh my gosh, is it blueberry? Yeah, the blueberry one, oh my gosh. Now I've got a bunch of lip balms again coming in from not Nurture Soaps. I get these mixed up, Nature something. Oh, all right, so that's definitely a strawberry. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, that's yummy. All right, so big 5 stars for the flavoring oils at Windy Point in Alberta. Awesome, awesome sauce. All you Canadians out there. And if your order is over like 150 bucks, you get free shipping. So we've got butyl alcohol, which is great for a lot of things. Full wax, which is great for lotions and emulsifying lotions and conditioners, because I'm going to be working on those. I believe this tetrasodium EDTA is part of my my shampoo stuff. So we're going to be doing some commercial shampoos and maybe demystifying and demonizing stuff on the market, because guys, oh, it's wonderful. Well, it's not all wonderful, but not all of it is terrible stuff. So let's figure out what the good stuff is in current, because you know that always changes. It's like peptides, doesn't it feel like a fun thing? There we go. All right, so I'm going to pile all these. I'm not going to put these, I'm going to put these upright because they might leak and I don't want to lose a drop. But I am going to pile all my ingredients back in the box. Put my containers on top because I don't want to damage those. I'm having so much fun with bath bombs right now, guys. Finally starting to get some art bombs. There'll be nothing like, some of those really great ones out there, but Atomic Bath & Body is a really great resource, but also Bath Bomb World. Oh my gosh, that guy is awesome. I think watching him, I'm starting to learn, and I'm horrible with names, guys, so I apologize. Totally apologize. So I don't know if this is a bath bomb thing or what. So we'll pause just in case it's something else. But it's also supplies, I'm sure. But this might give you an idea. I think it's a mold of some sort. I keep looking for bath bomb molds and soap molds to get me. Okay, let's go back to the knife. This is something I got off of Amazon. Oh guys, I'm so excited. These are in time for Valentine's. I love my bath truffles so much. I got my first inspiration from Crystal Star Soaps, and I just increased my cocoa butter, and I added a few other things that she doesn't use, but hers are great. And I made the recipe mine, and I looked at a few others, and I've been able to do so much with my bath truffles. The only one I have on my Etsy shop is a round one, and I never really saw any of them out there that I could do anything with, like the painting. So I've given away my source. I'm trying to get a really cool mold for bath truffles. I don't know if you guys saw, I was walking past Lush and they had some really cool looking bath oils, they call them. They're just bath truffles. We've been making these for years, guys. We're ahead of Lush here, dudes. They're copying us now. Woohoo! Good job, girls. You're amazing. All of you girls out there and boys out there, Kevin Devine, welcome back. I am so glad you're back. I'm learning stuff from you too. Thanks for the alcohol-free fragrance recipe. If you guys haven't checked out Kevin Devine, get over there. He's got some really fun videos. So yeah, I'm going to be formulating with all of this stuff. I've got more stuff to go, but I think on this rainy day in Victoria, I'm going to be making my bath oil truffles. But I've got a new name for them, so I'm hoping to make them more unique. I love these. Don't you love these guys? They're just the right size for this time of year. And spring, there's like flower ones and there's like Valentine ones, and it's like a year round. I just love this mold. Anyway, Amazon's where I got it. Thanks for watching. There's more stuff coming. If you're interested, tune back in. Yeah, so thanks for coming by.